many things to say, but I just need the answer. So put your arms around me, baby, we can start here.